Hi, I'm LuChin. When I entered my 50s, I began experiencing traveling pains in the body and severe insomnia. I felt like my health was starting to decline. I worried my best years were behind me. But over the past decade, my QiYoga practice have transformed my health in ways I never imagined. It has been a long, rewarding journey, and I'm no longer afraid of aging. There's so much ancient wisdom in holistic healing practices, Qigong, traditional Chinese medicine, and yoga. My mission is to be a bridge, to share these practices with you. They've helped me live a healthier, more joyful life, and I truly believe they can do the same for you. I invite you to join our QiYoga membership. Practice with me live on Zoom. Ask your questions. Become part of a supportive community dedicated to health and personal growth. Together, let's tap into the medicine within our bodies.